In this video you will see how to use Discord account. It's totally you know effective to use. You can join any kind of effective type of server that's good for you. So how do you do that? I will show you today. So go to your Discord account, and here we tap on server left side, and maybe you are seeing right now left a line where some logo is showing. So what is those are logo of every server, like kind of group. Discord is somewhat different than other social media. So if you notice that here, that I'm joined English server, I'm joined as well SMMA server. There you can publish your work to gain client. And here I learn English. So maybe you are seeing, and here is couple of stuff they have, like 3 event, how to navigate, donate, like whatever the admin want to create. Here you can join there. It's all for their member. Like if you are in English beginner, you can join this beginning section. Everyone talking right now, it's 24, like always. When you join in this room, like in this Discord server, you will see that people are talking still, because it's like, I would say, a lot of members join in this room. If you notice that 611k of our member in this room, and right now 42,000 members in online. So it's so big group for learning English. So if you wanna learn English, you can search on Google uh, like Discord server for learning English. And here is, if you wanna get any client, if you have any business, you can join. Like if you have content curation business, you can search on Google that content curation Discord server. If you are YouTuber, you can join, you can hang out with YouTuber in Discord server. A lot of like big YouTuber, they use Discord and they join together. So anyways, so how do you use that? So when I was like if I say about Discord, when I was beginner, it was so difficult to use to me, like math, math subject. So, and when I like I joined, I just used Discord for just uh, for just gain airdrop, and like back and day, you know and airdrop is mean, already know that just they give something to me for joining their server. And I just joined Discord. What is Discord? I didn't know at that time. So, and here is I have been using that like nearly 3-4 years, but I'm still now beginner, but I know something here. So if you, when you join any server, like if you go Google and search here, um, let's say English Discord server. If you search that here, it's showing you Google all of English speaking practice Discord server. So if I click on there, and that is directly come into Discord. Here is, it's not big, but if you click on join server, it will immediately like go into Discord apps. So just click on join server, nothing complicated here, and it will directly go into your Discord server. And here is the point, here is accept invite. Click on there for joining their room, and maybe you are seeing done here. So number one, you need to customize your experience. Your beginner, intermediate, advanced, or native. If I am beginner, I will select beginner. If I am intermediate, I will select intermediate. So next, and here is he, him, your like gender, whatever, he and him. If you are female, you can select which continent you are in. I'm Asia. I select that and correct me, and that's it. Just scroll down, agree and finish, join. Use it's give you seal that you are this type of. And if I click here, that here is the people they are talking. It's not big group, I would say, but not bad at all. So you can join like this way. Like if you need any server on Google that I want to join that group, and that's it. It's nothing complicated. So see you later in the next time.